At WebRing Integrated Services Limited, we believe that true innovation begins with precision. And today we proudly present our latest creation, the Kuli Kuli Cutter, to you. This machine is built for strength, designed for excellence. This machine takes traditional Kuli Kuli production process to an entirely different level. This Kuli Kuli cutter does not just cut, it doesn't just cut, it shapes and sizes every piece of Kuli Kuli with perfect consistency. With its high performance blades and precision shaping mechanism, this machine delivers excellent cutting, smooth, clean and accurate every single time. You see Kuli Kuli being loaded into the machine. That's the barrel. The barrel was just pulled out. It's as easy as that. So easy to operate. You pull the barrel out, you fill it up with Kuli Kuli, and the barrel is so huge, so big that it can take more than 5 kg of Kuli Kuli at a time. And the time to press it out is less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to process, to shape out 5 to 6 kg of Kuli Kuli. You can see that's huge. That's astronomical. That's how beautiful the machine is. And beyond the volume of production, it may interest you to know that this machine can cut different sizes of Kuli Kuli, and it's very easy to operate. Very shortly we have a brief look at the control panel, the buttons and the switches on it. Very user friendly. You see the loading is still going on. See Kuli Kuli being loaded into the barrel, and in the moment once it's filled up, as big as the barrel is, once it's filled up, it slides in back into position, and then the machine is turned on, and then it begins to press out Kuli Kuli. It does two things actually. It shapes Kuli Kuli, it presses it to flat long strips, and then it begins. See, after loading, push it in. It's as easy as that. Then you depress a switch, a black switch on the machine, which is the shaper switch. That's the main switch, the main power switch. Then this black switch under it, these are lamps indicator to tell you that the machine is powered. Now you see this black switch is the shaping switch. Now it has been depressed and shaping is already commencing. In the moment you see Kuli Kuli begin to come out in long strips, then after some time the cutter is put on, and you see the way it now cuts it to perfect consistent sizes. Every batch comes out uniform, every piece looks so perfect, and every cut speaks of quality. You see the long strips? You see the long strips coming out? So that's the way it shapes. Now you see the way it cuts. We put on the shaper and the cutter on at the same time. It was just the cutter that we just tested, and the shaper that we just tested now. Now we put on the shaper, it pushes it out, and then the cutter will begin to take care of the rest. The body of the Kuli Kuli cutter is built with industrial grade, food grade stainless steel, strong enough to handle continuous production day after day without compromise. Easy to operate, easy to clean, and is designed to save you time, reduce waste, and increase output. Like every machine from WebRing Integrated Services Limited, this machine carries our promise: efficiency, reliability, durability. Yes, shaping has commenced. Now you see cutting. The cutter is activated. You see cutting. You notice that the cuts are huge. They are big. They are quite big. So you can adjust this size. Very soon it will be adjusted. You see that it comes out much smaller. It's quite easy to operate on the machine, just like turning the knob on your radio set. That's the control for the cutting. Now the cutter is adjusted. You can see that the speed is different. The speed is slower, it's much longer. Now it's faster, it cuts out very small sizes. You see, that's how easy it is to adjust the cutter, which determines the actual size of the output. You see, it's still cutting. It keeps cutting, and in a moment, just a moment from now, 5 to 6 kg of Kuli Kuli is out of the barrel. Then it's loaded again, and then the cycle continues. The machine that's very easy to operate, and so interestingly, this machine takes only 1 kVA of power. Only 1 kVA. A small generator, 2.5 kVA generator, will power it very conveniently. And that's one beautiful thing about the machines from WebRing Integrated Services Limited. We take power consumption into consideration, because in this part of the world, power is not really so friendly. You see, that batch is out to be loaded with another batch. Thank you so very much.